welcome you watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. KHBBA raises concerns over proposed shops in parking lot. JNC advocates for improved educational management in Meghalaya. Tlongpleng village leaders respond to assault allegations. And electoral roll update meeting held in Peit district. And now the news in detail. The Khasi Hills Bazaar Bus Association KHBBA has expressed regret and surprise over a proposal to construct shops within the building parking lot in Them Yau Maulong. They argue that this development could create significant challenges for pedestrians and traffic flow in the area. The association is unclear whether the initiative is driven by the private sector or the Shillong Municipal Board. KHBBA representatives warned that introducing shops in this location could lead to severe traffic congestion, urging authorities to reconsider the proposal to ensure public convenience and safety.
Para driver nomor ba kene kamde ka jakaban sinadukan regi kade ka jakayan gali te ladalong kepala kepat ya municipal ban pengeria kene ka yang kene ka dukan nomor ba i dayan kali rit lai sau teli kadang rung ne ban yang te la mentala kamnya pelat di kerpat ladalong kepala tang kumtah naru kade ka san
yang di bosnya kelirit
yang buat bos yang buat kelirit yang lang yang lang bang yang lang buat kelirit lihat
thùng nè
ya tar
Jepra tela kena bersama ada kajian tempe tempe kita tengah manuan long su apa kita long su teh yang
sulung macamnya
On October 29th, the Jantia National Council JNC, led by General Secretary Wanshwa Suting, met with R.S. Manners, Director of Educational Research and Training DERT, to discuss the management of the Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test MTET and various challenges faced by students. The JNC proposed that the MTET be conducted annually to better support aspiring teachers. They also highlighted a critical shortage of staff at the District Institute of Education and Training, DIET, in Thatlaskeng, which currently has only 14 teachers after 2 transfers, impeding effective teaching. Additionally, Wanshwa urged urgent repairs to the DIET Thatlaskeng landfill, which has collapsed and poses safety risks. The council aims to enhance educational conditions for students in the region.
Yang kajian si Jentia National Council nila ya kendu badi Madam RS Mana badairu Director jongka Directorate of Education and Research Training na bentaban pensngeu ya kejing ke bagi nong pule hapok ke diet Thatlaskeng ba tunjuru ya kejing ke ba kiba kinong kai ki ya kendu nama kejing transfer ya ki arngun kinong kai ba don hapok diet Thatlaskeng dan dulu bala transfer ya kini kinong nong kai arngun ki kena school ki ya kendu ya kata kejing ban yo ya kejing kai laban ong baki la yo ya kata kejing kai ke ba compromise ha kejing kai namar balai kunta ya kini ki nandu bala transfer ya kini kinong kai om Samla pendap ya ke vacancy kumenta da dakimenai teknik kejing jia kamde syuk sin ke Bangkok kani kejing transfer ya kenong kai kala jia na Khubor but hakipor ke bala dem andala det transfer ya kenong kai syaki bei pat ki jaga la long vacan no ki post leni amdon syuk kinong kai hapok kadayat Thatlaskeng daki benai leni daki snam mat mentaru kala jia biang kumju la transfer biang ya kinong kai menta daki benai ndai empat la syampa pat daki wei na ke bentaban pendap ya ki post ki batli kenang ba onjo ya kinong hikai ban hikai ya ki kena school hakata ka kom hakata ka dur ka babiang ndai kat kembalong menta ki kinong hikai ki bai hikai ya ki bai pat ki subject kin haban hikai ya kita ki subject ki balong vekan menta ba kani ka long ka aka ka ba ka jing hikai ki kin ai kan long ka very compromise kam long ka quality education na menta ki nong pulih katai ka diet Thatlaskeng dan kani ka kambu jing tang ya ki nong pulih mereka bu jing ru ya ki nong hikai nalor bakilat pendep ya ka program ku jangki nalor bakilat pendep ya ka duty ki jangki dan ya kata ka jing tre jangki da ka ba ai jing hikai na mata ka subject bagi dei ban ai jing hikai badru ai ki training ki prepare nangta kin sahabat ban ai kata extra walking leni overload ka kam ke jongki ta kani ka long ka ek ka baki nong hikai ru ki mat ya ke jing bat ki nong pule ru ki sitom ban yo ya kata ka jing hikai ka babiang nama kini ki nong hikai ki ba sim ya ki wei pat ki subject ban hikai ka bamdei ke jongki ki hikai tang ban pendep ya ka course namar ban kan spoil ka por bakan don ka exam ta kenang ban pendep tang ya ke course kini ki nong hikai kin hab baik ban sim extra class ne ban hikai ya ki wei pat ki subject ba amdei ke jongki pat kani kalong ka kumbangala ong kalong ka compromise quality of education ba ki kena school ki ya apok ka diet Thatlaskeng berkani kalong ka jing de halor kani ka daw bangila.
Tensions escalated following an incident in Tongpleng involving members of the Longkume Tongpleng and a resident from Peit Tongpleng. Allegations emerged from donbosco, minister of the Peit Tongpleng Village Council, claiming his community member was assaulted by Tongpleng residents, including women, village headmen and church leaders. In response, Tongpleng leaders led by village headman Ba Tingbor Disiar and secretary Ba Arman Rangko held a press conference on October 29th at the Shillong Press Club. They vehemently denied the assault claims and accused Karlingdo of selfish motives aimed at forcibly converting Tongpleng, which falls under the jurisdiction of Aim Bhowal. Pelsi Snaitang criticized Karlingdo's illegal installation of a horn speaker without permission, which led to its removal by village authorities. The village headman and church leaders condemned Karlingdo's actions, emphasizing the need for community harmony.
Friends, niwan hani ke po kat lang kalian jonga awan kum I manager jong I try kendo nyo pentais nai tang rai ba. Kat lang bat ki try kendo be ikur bijat ki belong ki kmi. Awan kat do hara kat ka snong thau bade ka snong prompleng rong ba snong sketri snong ki nokit kam jong snong. Bat kum juru ngedam tu kat ni na ki belang be warna ka belang belai prompleng na belang presiden prompleng. Jingwan jungi yang ni kuat manwan mah pensyai halor gitu ki khubor kaba lami menen kemian nilai I lembar di social media kalian jangan lagi tang Shillong men kan biar man Peit kiwi-kiwi di khubor ya lese kimi kiwi-kiwi di channel dong update andre dia menilai yo semua menilai I gitu di khubor ba mi menen kasni na kalian jungi sekolah kan orang kan dawan berwan pensyai sa kipat ba hantam mo kiba Peit yang tu news ba ni ko aro percaya atau ngawan ngalai I tu kan khubor menen na kalian jonga ngala sangat ba ngala Peit bisa kadang kejing au ki ba kita ki kenhun no buat kita ki kenhun gang hapok kejing yalam jonga kila buat bat kila syok yo we no song snong jongki uba kata kristal mo snaitan hajing sisiale tu kristal onde hiru tang mo sunang bagi reude men try jong kalom jong don bak harindo mo baude kun try jong don bak harindo dengan pensyai kan ni nganomlan hikmat kepercayaan bah tu sini sajan por untuk ki kami sidang kat aduna mensni na kalian jong hadir balawai ke dorbar Belai menjur benda lot na aku tukar mic bean, itu tenghong bean. Ini kilong kami baru rengkat batnya. Tang kawai kan bang imla bang lek kalong ba kitung ya ki te ya ka tukar tenghong halor jong ding pos elektrik. Tina kalian jungi kintai imla bang ki pos. Ni lokhat bani harap ni wei pun kena Samla jungi balak bang ki untuk pos elektrik bu lot ya ka tukar mic. Bat dia mu la lot jong ila sinti mengi kum ki long kami ibadai kisang long kami jong ka try kendo kisang long kami jong sinang nila simi tu kamai ba hipon mampai perkhat untuk kan jong don bak lang khalindo ulale sheyeng wot bat phone yang don bak lang khalindo bat imat don bak lang khalindo bathai banet kini tu kamai nani tengi kum ikan kai habo wan bre ban kini nama nimot ban lat ya tu kamai bangin bu hiyer ne ban penjat kenrai ni lot yang ketua kamai bangin IT no syaki polis syakaan tu bawan kini ni ha bagi banyak kini yang ketua kamai ndak hiru to basyo badat markum bakla I tu video babuan tu behala
BK Rani, ADC of Ribhoi district, convened a meeting to update and correct the electoral roll, addressing data collected over the past months. During the meeting, it was announced that a list of voters whose eligibility has expired was released on October 18th. Nominations for upcoming elections will be accepted on November 15th, 16th, 21st and 22nd, with appeals closing on November 24th. The finalized electoral roll for all constituencies in Ribhoi district will be published on January 6, 2025. Additionally, new polling sections have been established at Par Umkhen in Mauhati and Nongdom Maupliang in Jirang, which now has 78 polling stations. Rani distributed draft electoral rolls to local political parties, including Congress, UDP, BJP, VPP and NPP.
Malak berkoi segi polling station berpia. Terkila benet Peit dan Sunan lang, benet Jerat lang, Khubor yang ni kibla long eligible dan vote security polling station bila enroll lagi. Kemudian mentau Islam kita taki supervisors di orang di supervise sekam jadi BLO. Yang ini special campaign dates di supervisor lo lada kita akan cover berapa polling station lo. Di supervisor tinggal lagi tak tu kat ni polling station kita akan cover. Tambah BRO di jom untuk concern polling station yang akan haki station di joki haki di special campaign dates. Dengan jengkal part kalau iki parties baru makin appoint iki group level agents jongi kan wakil lang engineer jadi Samla engineer no eki biru jongi cuma no mereka nongdok mau liang aka konstitusi jirang dengan ini kelas meeting bilang orang August
The Hneutrab Youth Council HYC organized a peace rally on Sunday to advocate for the eradication of drugs in Meghalaya, aligning with the DEED mission. The rally commenced at Bethany Hospital and culminated in a public meeting at Yau Maulong, drawing attention to the devastating impact of drugs on youth and families. HYC President Roy Kuparsandram, along with journalists Carmen Yuria, HYC Riboy Secretary Tony Shilla, and other civil society members participated in the event. During the meeting, HYC leaders emphasized their commitment to combat drug abuse and distributed leaflets outlining 7 key demands to the government. These include establishing a rehabilitation center, improving access to treatment for addicts, creating a special court for drug cases, and appointing a dedicated police force to tackle drug trafficking. The gathering also featured local leaders and women, underscoring community awareness of drugs' harmful effects on youth.
Kasuatan lembaga Dream Mission Gong nadu senam beningkong on snai kiriap center aki vulnerable district dan iki district ke belasyak kita how drugs nila senam siteng mentang wilayah nanti nyipat yo iwat tau mau nungrem bro bahkan go na bentang kata kiriap center akan ulung district jalur kata nungrem bakum kaseng nya panmi syakmat panpan gajing kersan nagi parni nagi pardo pas senam betul Banong ay gading kersa ni banginlet banlet sa sekretariat ban penbor ya kini ki sakri gi jongi ki basong ang te pos sekretariat bakin pendak yala ka jong ka kamram kak kumbala penkupor do upat ba kak kumbala penkupor dari tisensya jong di gadi ga jongi kamdei bagi sumi samadan banbo ya ki jingdawa ki bomsong nongrem kamde bangi sumi samadan banbo ya ki jingdawa ki baka sorkar kanun kamla bande ndai ki dei ki jingdawa ki bala da sorkar kamon kala bande bak ki dei ki jingdawa ki bala don lupa haka takakot ya ka baka sorkar ni kala to ni solusi hak ni ga jela ka jomni kumbalong ki kot ki ba fair ki documents ki policy ki project ki mission ki ba fair ki susakut tangan te pos sekretariat akiduli jongki officer akiduli jongki minister om simla menteri kami ki hamadan kat kum ka jingtu pari kum ka seng ni sukhya ya ka jingrung lailan jong drop sa kanila ri ka biet te kadui ni sukhya namangimte Malaysia kani ka jingyo arung lailan jong drop sa kanila ri ka biet te kadui kala bandai ka buit po jong ki way back ki brio ki banabang kung no pan tombor ya kani ka jack brio ka banit back ka jongi kimla lembaga siye ila persyang nos nam ada kakindai banwandra ya kan Citizenship Amendment Act dan Citizenship Amendment Bill Neupat ba jong ka jack brio neutral ulami semadan ban panpa ya ka jing persya ka jongi boy ni duna pa ni ka mensiam jong spiro sing ka mensiam jong wakyang ba.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again. Thank you for watching.